I'm gonna record this so you can watch the vid card so you can hear the guns.
Dude, there is a lot of big tanks up there. I don't think we should push it.
Nah.
Mostly that IS-4 is what I'm doing.
Dude, the ISs in general are just psychotic. Oh, I'm loving that IS-3. Oh my god. Yeah, I know there was tanks on that damn hill.
Hey, I'll just go scout.
Oh, that was a horrible shot. I suck balls.
Ah, shit.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. He has a big gun. Ouch! Motherfucker! Did he just hit me in the... Oh, he did. That asshole. You know, I do hate that, how sometimes they can shoot through the damn ground. If you're at, like, that very, very crest of the mountain, you can get through it. So annoying.
Yeah.
Did you choose coming back up?
Yes.
Nobody's shooting at me. This stupid T-34.
Yeah, I don't even understand that. Like, they're going after me and McNear. I think probably because they know that KB4 is a beast. Fuck that tank. Oh god, no! I was trying to get it across behind you! No, no, no! That was like the worst time to back up. Oh god, I'm glad I didn't get you killed. It's like we're tucking into the mountain, gents. Get ready to hug this mountain something fierce.
I'm gonna die.
Didn't penetrate their armor. Go figure.
I could almost hit that heat.
Trying to keep you alive.
Thank you, I pinned that T-34.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Trying.
I'm a little cramped up over here.
I know.
I'm trying to fit 3 tanks at a
Say
2
again,
tank
over?
spot. Oh god.
Yeah, we went to World Market yesterday.
Oh god. Ah, yes, yes. Oh god. This is gonna hurt. There it is.